Guys, there are many messages forwarding on social media about coronavirus. Do you know most of these type of messages are fake? So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you the most and the top forwarding messages on WhatsApp. Not only on WhatsApp, but also on each and every social media platform. Because these fake messages are becoming more nowadays, and because of this type of fake messages, people are becoming panic and you are being cheated daily. So guys, please make sure you watch this video till end because this video is very informative. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1. So guys, see this photo carefully. So what do you know about this photo? So guys, you know that this photo was captured by a satellite, and this photo shows the number of people who died in China due to coronavirus. But actually this is fake. So guys, let me tell you detailedly. So between coronavirus and this photo, there is no link absolutely because this photo was captured in the year 2014. So 2014, so it was not captured by satellite. Actually, this photo shows the number of people who are participating in art project. So this photo was captured in a city called Frankfurt. So you can check online. Guys, number 2. So guys, see this message carefully. So you can see that coronavirus can be cured by one bowl of freshly boiled garlic water. So guys, really in the case if coronavirus can be cured, then why still doctors are finding a medicine for coronavirus? Just think about it, yeah. Just think about it. So guys, these are the fake messages here. So these are the simple fake messages. So the finally what I want to tell you is if you drink like this, then coronavirus cannot be cured. So if you want to cure coronavirus or if you want to be healthy, then the first thing that you have to do is you have to develop your immune system. So developing immune system means you have to eat fruits, you have to eat green vegetables. So like that you have to develop your immune system. So that is the way where coronavirus can be cured if you get. Guys, number 3. So guys, see this photo carefully. What do you know about this photo? Because this photo is very viral on internet. So guys, the caption of this photo is the president of Italy is crying due to coronavirus. But actually, let me tell you, he is not the president of Italy. Really. So open Google and type president of Italy. So definitely you will be shocked away because actually, really, he is not the president of Italy. But this photo is true. So guys, actually he is the president of Brazil, and in the year 2019 during December month he talked one speech, means he gave one speech. So in that speech he went emotionally, so that's why he cried, and that photo was captured, and now people are saying he is the president of Italy and he is crying due to coronavirus. So actually he is the president of Brazil. He is the president of Brazil and he is not crying due to coronavirus that was held in the year 2019. So on YouTube, the live program was held, so you can check it. Number 4. So guys, see this photo carefully. So as you can see, there are many boxes, right? So the caption of this photo is many people are dead due to coronavirus. And now see this screenshot. So as you can see this screenshot that is totally fake, right? So people are not dead due to coronavirus. So finally what I want to tell you is this is a picture which was captured in the year 2013 and these people are not dead due to coronavirus. As you can see the screenshot, so if you read it carefully then you will understand. So finally what I want to tell you, this is a fake photo and people did not die due to coronavirus and this photo was captured in the year 2013. Guys, number 5. So guys, please, if you stay at house, then I will give you 1000 GB of free internet. Really, you can enjoy, but please stay at house. This is the message, yeah. So really, just think about it. So guys, if you stay at house, then we will provide you 1000 GB of free internet. So tap on the link. So like that, this is one message which is viral now on WhatsApp. So let's say, really, I'm telling 90% of people know this is fake message, but still they are forwarding. Actually, they are forwarding. So please don't forward this type of fake messages on WhatsApp, not only on WhatsApp but on internet. So please make sure you don't forward any type of fake messages. So guys, still there are many photos and messages on the internet. So all these are fake. So guys, if I show you all the photos and all the messages which was forwarded during this coronavirus period, then really our video will be very long. So that's why I'm not showing you all the messages and photos. So make sure that you don't believe any type of the fake messages. So guys, if anybody send you the fake message, then please send my video to them. Just send my video app to them. Enough. So guys, so finally I want to end this video. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'm going to see my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.